Welcome back. Today is 10 October 2024. You are watching our YouTube channel for daily crypto updates. I am your host. I make today this video for daily secret combo reward. How to claim Memefy daily secret combo reward. Guys, watch and note carefully and follow my instructions. Okay guys, as you know, this game has secret four tab area. Number 1 is head area, number 2 is chest area, number 3 is stomach area, and the last number 4 is leg area. Okay guys, watch how to apply today's code. Our number 1 tab is leg area, second tab chest area, third tab again leg area, the for last and fourth tab in chest area. Now we are applying today's code leg chest. Just wait 5 to 15 seconds for claiming reward. Okay, tab again leg chest. Again wait 5 to 15 seconds. Okay guys, we have successfully claimed today's reward of 1 million Memefi Secret combo. Again note today's code 4242 4 min leg, 2 min chest. Thanks for watching our YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press bell icon for daily crypto updates. For more crypto mining free projects, please join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, link provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Allah